Mhm. I just, uh, I just wanted to make mention, right? The court finds based upon the court record. Yeah. What court record? Ouch. Exactly what court record did you find based upon? The respondent didn't receive actual notice of the hearing. The respondent didn't receive actual notice of the hearing in 2011. Ouch. You reissued it by minute order in 2012 while I was on trial. Yes. You wouldn't expire the protection order. You never had an arrest record. You never had a court record. You never had any actual jurisdiction of law. Thank you, Big Toe. Now, why don't you, okay, let every oath, badge, and attorney know that I'm going to sue them all. Now, fire department, you're getting sued. Just every individual in the fire department understand. I emailed you thousands of times. You decided that you oh, you're getting sued. Every mandatory reporter that has an obligation to inform law enforcement of the requirement that you cannot abduct children. Now, when I was on Guam, I was on trial. There were some docketed court hearings that took place. Yes. I signed a document known as diversion. I agreed to be evaluated. Yes. I didn't have to. Ooch. I could have went to a jury trial. But I did decide to do diversion. It was recommended that I did do 7 hours of parenting classes. Yes. And to the satisfaction of the court, being presented to the satisfaction of the court. On July 11th of 2012, all the court records and the arrest record were sealed. Could have been opened up again from the government of Guam if I had been found guilty. Right, but I was found not guilty. Now I want you to give me my sons. Now, every time you arrested me, you never had any jurisdiction. Every time you issued a court order, you did not have jurisdiction. You did not have jurisdiction in 2011. You did not have jurisdiction in 2012 when you reissued it without waiting for the verdict from the jury. When the jury verdict was not guilty and my record was expunged, my court record, you never had jurisdiction to issue a protection order because there was no record of any violence or child abuse. Now, I'm going to sue every state of the United States. I want you to remove your fraud. Every arrest has been fraudulent. There's never been an actual authority of law to issue any court order in the state of Washington. I would say that when she filed for dissolution of marriage, yes, after I had called Healthy Families of Clallam County. Was the motivating factor for the dissolution of marriage the allegation of me attempting to contact the petitioner through the domestic violence advocacy charity? Yes. Why didn't she attempt to dissolve the marriage while I was on Guam? Now, I know it seems like one of these troubling questions that I'll have to ask my wife when I'm able to talk to her. Yes. But when you found out that I got back to Clallam County in March of 2012, why didn't you file for dissolution of marriage then? Why didn't you do it in April of 2012? Yes. Why did you wait until I had contacted Healthy Families of Clallam County to motion the court for dissolution? Because the only reason that you filed for dissolution of marriage, right, was because you said that I was crazy and I would have to pay child support for the rest of the lives of my sons. Now, I'm going to sue Judge Ken Williams. Yes, I'm going to sue this judiciary for allowing for a dissolution of marriage where the petitioner, yes, did or did not tell the judge, yes, that she was going to have me arrested 3 days later.